Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can change display resolution on Windows 11. So that being said, let's get started. Changing a display resolution on Windows 11 is very simple. You just need to click on the Start button, then click on Settings. Here click on System, and here you will find an option called Display. Simply click on Display, and here we have Display Resolution option. From the drop-down menu, select your desired screen resolution. Then click on Keep Changes. Similarly, you can change your display resolution to higher resolution. Here, just click on Keep Changes. If you want to scale up your text size on Windows 11, simply select this option called Scale, and from the drop-down menu, select the desired percentage. It will scale up your text size. So this is how you can change display resolution on Windows 11. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.